Welcome to Modenique, where design meets timeless elegance. Today we're exploring interiors crafted for those obsessed with the quiet luxury and old money aesthetic, homes where wealth isn't loud but deeply felt. We'll uncover how thoughtful layouts, refined lighting and cohesive material choices create the effortless flow found in multi-million-dollar residences. Let's begin at the front door. The foyer is not a hallway. It's the emotional opening of the home. In quiet luxury design, this space feels calm, intentional, and restrained. Soft architectural lines, natural stone flooring, and warm layered lighting create an immediate sense of composure. A sculptural console, a single art piece, and hidden storage ensure the space feels curated, not crowded. This is where luxury doesn't announce itself. It welcomes you. In old money homes, rooms don't feel separated, they feel inevitable. Flooring continues uninterrupted. Wall tones carry gently forward. Architectural details repeat like a quiet rhythm. There are no harsh thresholds, only a soft unfolding of space that guides you naturally into the heart of the home. This is luxury that moves. The living room is where quiet luxury becomes tangible. Low-profile seating, layered textures, and a restrained neutral palette create a space that feels rich without being loud. Every piece feels intentional. Nothing feels excessive. Light is soft, architectural, and ambient, shaping mood rather than dominating it. This room doesn't try to impress. It commands calm. The dining room reflects old money tradition, formal but never stiff. A solid table anchors the space. Upholstered chairs invite comfort. A statement chandelier provides presence without excess. Here, luxury lives in proportion, balance, and atmosphere, not ornament. This is a room designed for long dinners, meaningful conversations, and timeless rituals. Quiet luxury kitchens whisper refinement. Cabinetry is seamless. Appliances disappear. Materials feel permanent: marble, stone, wood, and brushed metal. Colors remain soft and timeless, allowing the architecture and materials to speak. This kitchen doesn't feel like a showroom. It feels like it belongs to the home and always has. In a Modenique home, even hallways are curated experiences. Soft wall paneling, framed art, and layered lighting transform passageways into moments of calm and continuity. These spaces don't rush you. They slow you down. The primary bedroom is not dramatic, it is deeply calming. Upholstered beds, linen layers, and warm neutrals create a sanctuary of emotional quiet. Lighting is indirect and atmospheric, designed to soothe rather than stimulate. There are no bold statements here, only balance, comfort, and timeless elegance. An old money closet feels like a private boutique. Custom cabinetry, soft lighting, and curated spacing create a sense of order, ease, and control. This is storage elevated to lifestyle, quiet, refined, and intentional. Quiet luxury bathrooms are not glossy, they are stone, texture, and silence. Honed marble, natural wood, and soft lighting create a private retreat rather than a showpiece. This space feels calm, grounded, and timeless, designed for restoration, not display. A guest bedroom should always feel ready. Comfortable, calm, and quietly refined, with soft layers and warm light, without excess or clutter. Luxury here is hospitality, not performance. This room carries intellectual luxury. Wood desks, leather chairs, soft lighting, and classic materials create a space of focus, discipline, and prestige. Power without performance. Luxury does not stop at the door. Outdoor spaces extend the interior language. Natural materials, neutral seating, and structured greenery create calm continuity. This is where elegance meets air, light, and stillness. Quiet luxury is not about what you add. It's about what you refine. When your home flows effortlessly from foyer to every room, you're not just increasing its value, you're creating a lifestyle of calm, confidence, and timeless elegance.